Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you and the mercy and blessings of Allah. In today's word action deed, we're going to be learning how to perform wudu. This is ablution, which is purifying our body right before prayer. We want to make sure we perform wudu when we've ever gone to the bathroom, maybe passed gas, or have outside fluids from animals or such that accidentally got on our clothes. Nevertheless, performing wudu is a beautiful act, and we believe as Muslims that the more you perform wudu, that this will be where your light will shine on the day of judgment. So inshallah, even if you feel like you're not sure if you did it or not, perform your wudu just to have extra light on the day when we will need it most. What we want to do, first step, is to say Bismillah walhamdulillah. And we do that to make the intention that we're going to perform our wudu right before we want to pray. So, we're going to say Bismillah walhamdulillah. And upon doing that, we can enter our restroom. Step 2 is we begin by washing our hands, pretty much from the wrists all the way to the fingers and through our fingers. And we're going to do that 3 times. So I'm going to turn on the water, make sure that it touches the wrists, make sure I go all the way to my hands. That's 1. Starting with the right hand to the left. That's 2. That's 3. Next step that we want to perform will be then cleansing our mouth. Step 3, we want to use our left hand, put the water in there and get a little bit of nose in our nostrils and blow it out gently. We're going to do that 3 times. Step 4, we wash our face, making sure that we touch every aspect of our face, our eyes, our chin, our hair. For those of us who have beards, we certainly want to make sure that the water goes and all through the beard. And for some of us that don't have the beard, it's perfectly okay. Following, we want to start where our wrist, our hands, from the fingertips to the wrist, all the way touching the elbow. Same fashion, where the water touches all of our elbow, all right, and our inner arm back down to our finger. We're going to do each side 3 times, again, beginning with the right side and then performing the left side. Next step, we want to wash our head, and we want to start with the forehead here. We only need to do this part 1 time, and so we're going from the head through the hair, back of the neck, and then you could use your thumbs to wrap around your ears, and that would be sufficient. This last step is really where a lot of people go wrong, and you can do this in so many ways, but the most important part is you're getting all of your toes into your ankles. So we want to make sure that the water goes in between every single toe, starting again with the right foot, and then we want to make sure that that water touches as high of our ankle to the back of the heels, and that would be 1, 2, and 3. Now you guys got to see my foot. Then you switch over to the left side. Again, some of us have different sinks where we can use it specifically for ablution, and that would be great. But for those of us who just have 1 sink, again, this would be sufficient. And now you've completed your wudu.